Yep. Yeah.
All right. So what we just learned, power drill, that is inside of the smiley face power drill. So what we're going to do is get into our setup. Ball position forward, a little tilt. We're going to go over this when we do our breakout session, and then add the smiley face. But we're just hitting the top of the tee. So I'm not doing this. The arms, there's no power, okay? It's like throwing a punch like this, or anyone that plays baseball or football, you don't throw like this, okay? So what we're going to do is feel the club like a whip, using the ground in our jump to throw it. So here, top of the tee. Where our finish is here. Start off. We're feeling the ground power and the extension. So it looks like this. You see how I'm using the ground? So this shot's gonna go low, but we're practicing our speed.
Bye-bye.
Okay? So we're using the ground and the leverage of our rotation to hit the ball far. All right, make sure you guys are listening. You guys are all going to be doing this drill.
Do one more. Okay. Can you try to bomb another?
All right, so here, I'm not using the arms. Power. Then, after we do a bunch of the smiley faces, no swinging, then we can move into full where we get into our finish. You see it? You guys see where the speed? We're going to be hitting far ones, and we're going to be measuring your swing speed. All right? Sound good? I need one person to demonstrate. Anybody? No one wants to volunteer?
Just pick a random.
All right, one more, Dylan.
Dylan.
All right. So get into driver setup position. And show me smiley face with speed. Okay, good speed. Okay, spread it out. Good, your feet. Okay, get your feet wider. Okay, show me just smiley face. Here. Okay. Stop right here. And then jump as loud as you can. Make it work. Okay, faster. Okay, let's hit a ball, and then I need one more volunteer.
Sound of me hitting the tree.
Hit a ball.
You're freeing him from prison.
Okay, go ahead. One more volunteer, and then we're going to go into breakout session. Okay, hit it wide, full power. Okay, okay, no stopping.
Wait, could I?
Okay. Just smiley face. Smiley face only.
Oh, smile.
Smiley face. Good. Who's next? All right, Luca, come here. Elsa?
Good shot.
We're doing right-handed. Does that feel powerful? Yeah. Okay, sure. Get wide. Okay, smiley face first. Okay, faster. Use the ground. Much faster. Much faster.
Use his legs and his
Fast as
turn.
you can. Good. There we go. Good. Beautiful. All right. Now just do the same thing, but hit the ball. Smiley face power drill. Okay. See where your finish was? Lost it.
Can I go now?
Okay, put it on.
Excuse me.
All right. After this one, we're going into breakout groups. Okay. Hold the smiley face.
Oh.
Then hold the smiley face. Okay. Get another ball. So this is important that you guys hold the smiley face for width. Okay, better, but you can go faster. One last one. Go as fast as you can. This is a speed drill. There you go. Okay, fell back a little bit. Looks close. All right, everybody. So we're gonna do breakout sessions, and then my groups we're gonna be doing speed drivers and radar, and then we're gonna rotate. Coach Aline's gonna be doing putting and rules with putting and putting games. All right, good job. Was I on video there?
Yep.